Hello, this is Carlos and I am Linda. We are living in our floating house Mirni Oken. Welcome in our YouTube channel 22 South, where we invite you in our dream for a circle navigation.
So here we are after 1 week in the ocean. Everything so far has been working well. We still have like 5 or 6 more days, 700 nautical miles, and we are expecting wind. Not crazy, but enough wind to keep us going pretty fast. We have seen one boat, and it was last night, a fishing boat, in the whole week. Nobody else, nothing else. Things here happen slow, so you kind of have time to think and slow down.
A squall is a common phenomenon encountered in the tropics, and something we knew we had to go through the moment we decided to go this way. As the cloud approaches, it becomes dark and occasionally thunder and lightning. Suddenly there is an increase of wind from the easterly direction, which on average raises 25 to 30 knots. The barometer does not indicate their approach, so they can only be detected visually or on radar.
That was a very quiet wake up, huh, darling?
Yeah,
From
that's how you wake up in the Indian Ocean.
Look there. This is a mark of the pillow here. He was sleeping when I wake him up very fast.
What did you say? Oh, I think that's a squall. Of course.
Can you come by dear? I said, quick. Oh my god.
And now, of course, the wind is gone, and now we have to motor.
And the apparent should be here. Here.
Hello, good morning. Today is day 8, and yesterday on my night shift I watched this amazing documentary called Free Solo about a guy climbing El Capitan for the first time without a rope. Two things that I remember they made a big impact. Somebody asked him if what he does is dangerous. He said that he feels extremely safe, that he feels good, he is safe, but the consequences are huge and you have to do it perfect. So the feeling of when he's doing it is safe, but he's aware about the consequences are death. Another feeling he shares is that you have to face your fears when your dream demands it. Like, you know, you have to face your fear, but not because you want. Sometimes it's because your dream demands it, and that's it. There's nothing you can do about it. And that I can feel myself identified in there, because I don't feel I'm a brave, super brave person, you know, to do what I'm doing. I don't think I am. But I know I will have to face my fears of, for example, big ocean or squalls, storms, and big winds. I will have to face those fears in order to achieve the dream. So, and I guess when you are willing to take that step, you start making your dream come true. Sailing around the world is not something that happens overnight. It's not something that comes with no effort or by luck. Is nothing more scary than leaving everything behind and chasing your dream, doing something you are not used to it, putting yourself somewhere you haven't been before, following your instincts and believing in them.
Here, that's
That's my main activities for these 2 weeks. Lie down and wait, because we are moving quite a lot. We are bouncing, and if I stand up I'm seasick. If I go outside it's the same. When it's rolly like this, it's better that you just lie down and try to rest. No, that's not a ghost. That's the boat who are moving. Not a ghost either. That's the Hooven.
In our experience, what made this passage also more challenging, it was the waves. They were not small, they were short, they were sharp, so no that long wave that comes slow when you surf it. So the direction, it was, we were not taking them from behind, we were taking them straight at 90 degrees from the beam, because they were coming from the south, and that made the boat move and roll in a very uncomfortable way.
Lucky I learned how to use the radar, and it looks like they're going in front of us.
Welcome to the Squally in the Indian Ocean! Surrounded by squalls.
Okay. No, but it's not funny. Do you ever try to be in a washing machine? We do. Mom tap.
I think they're overtaking us. Squall sandwich. Today we've been having such a good weather. Very nice weather. So we cannot complain. The same day, all of them. So yeah, so looks like one is there. Looks like another one there. And we're in the middle. And as the radar says, it's better now to go slow so they pass. One will pass us on the port side, the other one on the starboard side. And yeah, we'll just wait and see what happens. The wind is completely crazy.
The world above must also be. This could go on for infinity.
We are in the hands of the gods. If they give us good winds, which means a good southeast 130, 140 degrees direction, we make it in daylight. If not, we will have to jibe, and then I don't know. So thanks to the radar we can see what is the squall moving, and gives you an idea where you can navigate. For us now it's an essential piece of navigation.
This is a big storm, and because the rain is coming inside, Carlos closed the door, but I'm worried it's alone outside.
This is storm. It's another level now. We thought for the radar we thought everything was gone, and suddenly the shit hit the fan.
It's not finished, and I can see, you see the radar.
Okay. It's in our port side.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try to go more to the right. Dale. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for our arrival in one of the most isolated places in the Indian Ocean, which is the archipelago of Chagos. We hope you enjoyed this second week of our crossing, full of storms and squalls. Thank you as well to our patrons. You guys are helping us to go mile by mile closer to our last goal, which is circumnavigation of the world. See you all very soon.